So here is the Elementor framework that these are the like here, side panel, side the elements. Let me exit this space. So when we have elements, you just click here, this plus sign. So if you want to add the element, so this is where we add the element. As you click on any of this menu, so it changes. So this is the all the designs you're making, they will be inside this interface here. As you are designing and top go to view it on desktop, you want to view it on here you can set your site settings. So don't work on this much later. So from here you can change the site, the page identity, site identity. You can work it through here. You can put your logo here. Just click on choose and then you click on your system, you just upload them, and that's what you do. Also for the failing, the start family, so it's going to also work that way. So let me just go back and see if I can. Let me also go back to the desktop. So then here you change, you give it the title name, so you take it into home. No, I have not named it before. So here also you can give it a favorite and make sure you hide. If you are creating one page, you hide the title. Please make sure you hide the title. So then leave it at default here. So that will be so it's not ready yet. I don't know why that is. So canvas is not ready. So maybe I will just come over here and you give it as published. So let me just click on publish. That's all. So I don't know why this canvas is not ready. What to stitch and bring back this. Bring back this. I want to model this. Oh, so I want to create something like this. I want to create something like this. Okay, Elementor is load really. So let's wait for Elementor. Don't let me waste time with this. Don't let me waste time with this. Let me go to the side settings again. Let me decide an identity here. Let me just remove it. Let me just, can I do? Can I do? Let me pick something smaller. Let me pick something smaller. Let me put something smaller. But there's a way around this. Normally, I shouldn't upload my logo from here. I should do that from the these are bigger images. So I'm going to use all these. These are bigger images. Let me go to my logo stuff. My logo, my logo, my logo folder. Let me take this one. So let me take this one. And let let me save this. So now I don't want to reload it. So now I talked about different elements in WordPress. So this is what we call a container. So here and grid. This is what we this this canvas you see here is what we call a selection. It is inside this section that you input all these elements. So you can input it in column or just direct. So now I can do it in a container. I can create a container by clicking here, or I can just pick and drag it here. This that. So let me do that again. Let me click plus here. If I click here plus here, it will give me, it will tell me which layout that I want to use. This is flexible or grid. So let me pick grid. It will tell me which type of structure do I want. Is it a 3-element structure like this, or 2-element structure like this? Something like this. It will ask you. So, but what I want to do, for example, this is what I want to do. I want to create, so I'm going to just use this. I'm going to just use this normal. Um, so you have different elements here. You have text editor, the heading, image, and all that. If I want multiple image, image, I can start. But if I just want one image, I just come over and type image. So then I'll drag it here like that. You ask me what type of image, let me go and look at the image. You can choose, go to upload file, select file. Let me go to downloads. I think I have some cool images. Just as an example, let me use this. Open. So you already have this here now. The other thing I can do is to see this image and reduce the opacity. You can come over here and just play around with it. I can give it a background color if I want to. Let me pick color of white. So all this are unnecessary anyway. So necessary anyway. So that's how you can play around images like this. But that's not what I want to do. What I want to do is I want to create this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. Sorry, I'm going to come over here and just go and drop this container here. That's how I'm going to do it. So you now have this container. I'm going to put anything here. Then you can see that I activated this container. So you go back to style. Mhm. You go back to you pick background overlay. Pick background first. Background. So you click on um, sorry. Um, so you click on classic, and then when you click on this classic here, you activate the image. And let me see that image that I uploaded. If I have uploaded, will be here automatically. So you click on select. So as you can see, it is here. So it is here already. So another thing you can do is to so now you already have this inside this container. Now when we give it a heading, so click on plus here, header, header. So sorry, heading or something like that. Just drop it here. So you type it. What is here? Discover the latest trend. Discover, discover the latest trend. Then let your image tag be H1 so that it will be bigger. Then from here, so you can style it. You can make it bolder. Put it in the middle by clicking here. So this is in the middle. Then you come over here. You can increase the size. You can increase the size depending on what you want to do. Then color, text color. You can pick a black or a white. Some what you want. Uh, so this is here. So I'll pick a white color. My Elementor is misbehaving today. Really, I don't know. So just leave it at that. Okay. So let's publish it. Discover the latest. Let me take black. Black hole. Play around this color. Something that will make it pop. Now, this is what you want to also do so that your stuff will come out. On that container, click on this edit container here, go to style, and you come over to um, background overlay, classic. I think this is what we should have used. So let's use this. Don't let us use this. Let's use this image. Let's use the image of this one. This is why I'm using this. That I want to be able to reduce the opacity of this image. I want to be able to do that. So let's just remove this. Can you see that now? So let me just use this over here so that I can easily reduce the opacity and increase the opacity if I want to. So discover the latest trend. I think this text is really so for you to edit the header, you click on this icon here, come over to content, the styling, typography, then you can reduce the text. So let's just publish and see what we have done. So you can apply some other stuff. So let me go to this URL and see if it's going to upload for me. It's not there. So view page. So my logo is still very big. Don't worry, we'll sort all that out. But let me view just view the page first. So we are going to tidy up everything in the next session. We go straight properly to some other things. So